in 2025, at least 250K average. So that's not the top, it's the average price.
In this market analysis, we bring you a massive update from PlanB, who finally shared his latest insights on the Bitcoin market. But before we share the remaining part of his analysis, let's first take a look at a couple of tweets he shared today. That's currently getting a lot of attention on Twitter, and some people got a bit upset because of his calls, which we will go over as well throughout the video. Now let's take a look at the first tweet with the chart. Bitcoin is getting stronger. RSI equals 76. 99% of traditional finance has absolutely no idea what is happening. We are so early. In the next tweet, PlanB made some interesting points. He said Bitcoin is priced at $105,000? Cash and carry strategy, buy Bitcoin now and sell a futures contract for 1 year later, gives a return of over 10%. Covered call strategy, buy Bitcoin now and sell a 1-year call option, offers a return of more than 25%. If you borrow money at low interest rates, 5%, 4%, or even 0%, you can amplify your returns significantly. This tweet triggered many of his followers. One said, "Dude, your calls are going to sink a lot of people. What happened to 150,000 in December?" And PlanB quickly responded and said, "As I explained before, the 150,000 in December, 200,000 in January, 150,000 in February was meant as a joke aimed at those who believe in diminishing returns and power laws. If the joke wasn't clear, just focus on the 150,000 in February part." Another follower reacted to the tweet and said, "And if your predictions are wrong, are you going to update your charts, model, and narrative again like previous years?" And PlanB did not take long to respond and said, "This is not a prediction, but one of many possible scenarios that align with my estimate of an average Bitcoin price of around $500,000 during the 2024 to 2028 halving period. The price could range from $250,000 to $1 million within one standard deviation, meaning an average of $300,000 or $700,000 is also possible." Now let's watch the remaining part of his analysis for 2025 and beyond.
Every time in a bull market, the gray line, the realized price, goes up. And what you also see is that the gray line diverges from the black line. So the realized price diverges from the moving average. You see that in every bull market, 21, 17, 13. And again, that's the signature of a bull market. So while the monthly close in December was not an all-time high, and while the RSI is not yet 80 plus red, and while the 200-week moving average is less relevant, the realized price is pumping, and that indicates a continuation of the bull market, in my opinion. So what's next? What can we expect? The stock-to-flow model looks forward in time, and it gives a 2024-2028 target of an average price of about $500,000. So it's an average price for the next 4 years. And it's a point estimation, and perhaps it's better to look at the range that's around this estimation, because one thing we know for sure, it will not be exactly 500K average. Like it wasn't exactly 50K last time. It was 30. It turned out to be 34K, slightly lower than the prediction. So what's the range we can expect? Well, the rule of thumb, the one standard deviation band, is about 2 times the 500K, which is 1 million, and 500K divided by 2, which is 250K. So we have a wide range of 250K to 1 million, where I expect the average of the 4-year price cycle to be. Note this is much higher than all the other models out there, because most models expect a top in 2025 around 200,000, that's here, plus or minus 10%, and then a crash back below 100K. Stock to flow is much higher, at least 250K average. So that's not the top, it's the average price.
If you found this explanation helpful and easy to follow, consider subscribing to our channel. We're here to provide clear updates, track the latest trends, and share expert insights to keep you informed about the crypto world. Thanks for watching.